Good morning. We're up to book 34. As you can see, book 34. All right. Let's begin reading. All my dinosaur friends are guarding the wedding ring at the sacred pillar in my castle. I will soon marry my alien girlfriend sooner or later, so I have to head home and check on her. Well, congratulations! We feel happy for you. Are you sure you don't want a cold brew one for the road? I can't drink that while driving. Besides, I don't drink alcohol at all, really. Beer tastes like shit water. It's better, it's bitter tasting like shit. I don't know why they serve that beverage at parties ever even. And Corey left the bar to go home to the castle. All right. At the castle, good job. Good job, dinosaurs. The pillar still stands. Oh. So when do we get paid? Yeah. I want to get some big money, says the dinosaurs. Your job ain't over yet. Keep guarding. Oh, come on! No complaining. No complaining. All of you. Else you ain't getting any money or pay. Here. So we still gotta guard the shit? The pillar? Yeah. What's that thing on your arm? It's healing from having a battle. I defeated Pastor Jeff. He came at me with a zombie of Cookie Monster, and Cookie Monster bit me on my arm. Wait, why would Cookie Monster attack you? He's a friendly monster. Yeah, why did Cookie Monster do to you? Yeah, he just wants cookies. Nothing. Pastor Jeff turned Cookie Monster into a zombie. It was terrible. And Cookie Monster bit my arm. It hurts. Well, I'm going to check on my future wife who's pregnant. All you dinosaurs keep guard of the sacred pillar. Guard the ring. Hey, Corey, we're hungry, though. We need to eat something. Yeah, we are starving, says the dinosaurs. Roger and the Triceratops, White Tiger, the Velociraptor, and so forth. They're all hungry for food, of course. And I say this. Don't worry, I'll be back with food. Just keep doing your job. Now, their job is to guard the sacred pillar, remember? Yeah. Hurry up, we are all hungry. Don't worry, I'll be back with food then. Before I go, where is Paul? I don't know who is Paul anyways. You know, the Protoceratops. He looks like a ceratops, but he was born without horns. A ceratops dinosaur born without horns. Hornless. I hate to say this. I hate to say this, but King Corey, but he betrayed you. What? Why? We're all friends here. I don't know. He thinks when he comes back, he'll come back with a vengeance and some shit. Well, I'll have to find him and see you all just wait and guard that pillar. A sacred pillar containing the wedding ring. These pages are hard to turn. Okay. Then Corey left the secret room and went upstairs to see his pregnant future wife. Hey, my sexy lady Celestia, my bride, I'm leaving again, but do you need anything? I'm here for you, my sweet loves. Oh, nothing. I'll be fine. Just be here when I'm giving birth. Well, all right. Thank God you're fine, and just whatever you do, do not trust Tyrone Easter Bunny. If he comes here, he better not. Okay, but I guess whatever, but he is a nice bunny rabbit. I don't care. If I catch him with you, I don't care. If I catch him with you, I'll kill him. But I think he's so cute. Don't say that. Now remember, you chose me to be the father and not Tyrone. And the baby better not be black. Otherwise, Tyrone is the father. I'm not going to let that happen. Relax, Corey. You're the father. Besides, it will be a hybrid baby anyway, so yeah. What do you mean by hybrid? Well, you're a human being, and I'm a space alien. Human being and space alien. That makes a, ugly looking baby for sure. Because the reason why they're talking like this is because I got my space alien girlfriend pregnant for some reason. And we're going to marry soon, later on in the story or sometime. So, let me reread that again. Well, you're human and I'm a space alien. Yeah? So what? What do you mean? The baby will come out half alien and half human. You'll be the father of a new species. I don't know what that means, but okay. I guess that's all fine, I guess. As long as the child is not the devil or Antichrist, we should be fine. Don't worry, I'm sure the child will grow out to be a great hero, just like you, Corey. Yeah, I'll be a proud father of many, and if I were to die in battle, my sons will take the throne and rule my kingdom. And make the dinosaurs make sure the dinosaurs don't eat the babies. Yeah, I'll be strict on them so they won't eat shit. They won't eat the baby. Good. But there's one problem. There's a dinosaur that left and betrayed me. Well, is he a threat? What happened? I don't know. I don't know why. But Paul left, but he comes back. He thinks he will have his revenge. But who's Paul? What dinosaur is he? He's a Protoceratops. And what is that? And what is that? Isn't he like a Triceratops? He's a kind of ceratops, but he was born without horns. He can't defend himself. I think the reason why he betrayed me is because the other dinosaurs in my army of dinosaurs can fight, so they get paid more money than dinosaurs who don't fight. And Paul, he's useless for now. He's not the fighting type of dinosaur due to his lack of horns. He has no horns, and his other ceratops friends, well, they have horns. That's how far I got.